This is a 2003 Chevrolet Trailblazer, the 6-in-line 4.2. It's almost 20 years old. It's in amazing shape for its age. Believe it or not, this vehicle has almost 20 years old. It's in great shape for its age. The previous owners maintained it really well. Look at that paintwork, guys. You can see me waving. It's really great. There's no ripped seats. There's nothing broken of it. Everything works. The dash, there's no cracks. The CD-ROM, the CD player, everything works. You see how clean is that? There's no rips in the seats. Everything is original. They really take care of this car. I have my old Jeep mats. There's nothing broken. Let's go to the back. The seats are in great shape. There's no tears, there's no rips, there's no stains. Even the carpet's really well conditioned. Those are the same floor mats from my previous Jeep. Everything is really well taken care of. This car is new to the channel. I am gonna be modifying it when I see fit. You guys has any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. There's no rust in the vehicle. It's clean title. It's a really great car. They don't make them how they used to. Like the front end, everything. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, and thank you for watching.